Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. I'm going to do a quick video on today's events when it comes to commodities, precious metals, all that good jazz. So it looks like today, everybody's waiting for all of the Fed speak to come out of Jackson Hole. And in the time being, the dollar is sliding a little bit in value. We're seeing a big day in silver, up about 2.3% as I record this. Gold looks like has popped back up to $1,800 an ounce, and Bitcoin is at $50,000. Now, it's very interesting because we have a couple different things happening. So first off, in the crypto world, a lot of people have been waiting to see that $50,000 mark, especially close above it, because it's a psychological level. And so we're going to see a lot of, if it does, we're going to see a lot of people jumping in on that. Silver having a 2%, anything over 2% day is, in my opinion, a good day for silver, right? Obviously, on the flip side, it's a bad day for silver when it goes down 2%. But what's really interesting is both you have gold and silver moving up. Stock futures are rising a little bit. And what I believe you're going to probably see over the next few days is some FOMOing in now to precious metals. There's been a lot of people on the sidelines. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of paper purchases, but I always focus on the physical because that's the real tangible, metal. When you see, and I've seen this so many times, in the recent past, silver starts to jump up. Everybody freaks out. They go and buy silver from their local coin stores or online dealers. And if you want to look at the links, the places that I bought from online, I always suggest, first off, going straight to your local coin dealer. But the biggest thing I always stress is if you're gonna buy any physical precious metal, get the best price. It's the most important thing. I've got 3 companies I've worked with. They've been great to me. And then one of them is saying, go to anyone you want online. I'll beat their offers. That's Andy Scheckman. So take a look at the link in there below. And it looks like a lot of you have used them and they've been crushing it. But the most important part is getting your stuff for the best price, because your currency, your fiat currency right now is losing value because governments all around the world are printing. Our government is printing like crazy, and it doesn't look to be getting any better. I'm not going to say now. And first off, I'm not a financial professional. I invest in physical precious metals. I invest in cryptocurrencies. I invest in all kinds of things. I also hold cash, right? Because if you have a deflation event at any moment, your cash becomes very valuable because things that you want to buy, collectibles and all kinds of stuff, real estate, they go down in value. So why wouldn't you want cash too? So I think cash still is important as we're going through this event, but you have to be, I like to be just equally diversified. So it's not financial advice, but I think the one advice I'm going to give you, and this is good advice, whatever you buy, you need to price compare. You need to make sure you're getting the best value, okay? So it's going to be really interesting going into the Jackson Hole event because there's so many people just waiting, teetering now more than ever in recent history on what the Fed's going to do. Are they going to taper? And I'm going to be honest with you. This is all jawboning and kabuki theater, all right? They cannot taper, all right? I'm just going to tell you right now. And this is the most easiest way you know this. We have data that Japan, China, Russia, countries all over the world right now are buying less U.S. government paper, bonds, treasuries, than ever before. So they're losing confidence. So what's happening is the Federal Reserve is having to backstop that and pick up these assets. And so what's happening right now, since they are the buyer of last resort right now, they can't taper. That's impossible, because then there would be no way that people could actually put out debt. The government can't put out debt. Corporate bonds would suffer. So this is all kabuki theater. So I would not believe that, okay? But what's funny is how they like to build this narrative, and then they're going to crash your expectations when they don't taper, but they're going to give you a reason for it. The economy's making a downturn right now, and we can't do it right now. So I think it's very interesting because the articles are all going to be coming out of the Jackson Hole. This is what this person said. You're going to see Fed governors talking all crazy stuff. You'll have 5 of them saying one thing and then one crazy one just doing something else. And they're waiting to see the reaction of the markets based off of that one crazy comment. Okay, it's literally the fish going after that shiny lure. So it's going to be a big week. I think it's going to be a good week, to be honest with you. If you're in commodities and crypto, getting excited about that. Again, that's not financial advice. But thanks for listening, guys. I hope you got something out of this. If you did, hashtag silver in the comment section because I love silver. And hashtag Bitcoin also if you like Bitcoin. See, with that being said, thank you very much. The Economic Ninja is out.